Hello everyone. Today we are here to starting a new playlist around the technology. So it's going to be the first video of that playlist. Here we are what we are going to talk about in the first video is around the HTML. You already know how what is HTML, or some of maybe you know, or some maybe you know. So I'm going to explain it to you what the HTML means, how can we use it, how it used in different aspect of the website, or what can we do with HTML. So let's see. HTML is defined for hypertext markup language. Basically, it is used to design the structure of what called basically it's used for design the structure of an application, or can say website. It is the first, if we divide it, if we use in term of the first principle, that can we say it's is the lowest part of an application, can be, or in a supply chain, or can be in a, or can be I don't know about that, what that I am thinking about, but yeah, it's the lowest thing that can be used in order to create a website. So I'm going to read over the article, this text, and going to explain about the what does it mean in real. Hypertext hypertext markup language is the most basic lingua block of the web. It defines the meaning of structure and web content. Other technologies besides HTML are generally used to describe the web appearance, presentation, or functionality behavior. Means it's define the managing the structure and of web content. Other other technologies are technology used to describe web page apprehension, means basically used to building blocks. I'm also going to say it, like can we say that in order to create a bricks, in order to create a wall, we use an bricks implement, or use one by one bricks in order to build a wall. That's called a block of a web. That is the lowest or simplest a block, the whole which and web application will, it is like an atom. Our body system is mainly built through an atom, an accumulation of an atom called molecule. And when different molecule accumulate or ground up together, then it's called an, then through this and a shell create, through shell and body structure create, and then through this we can set an HTML is a block of a web. It define the meaning and structure of content, that what we are going to use in our website or in a web content, that it define that purpose. Our technology we send HTML and generally used to describe web page appearance. So basically we use CSS in order to present or represent the basically we use CSS in order to design the page. Through HTML we cannot design it. We only use for an we only use it for an on only for structure part, not in design person, in order to like do something. Then when one button is clicked, in order to some process or calculate some behavior, use basically JavaScript for that. Hypertext refer to the link that connect web page to another, either within a single website, between website, like a fundamental aspect of the web. By uploading content to internet and linking to the page is created by other people, you become an active participant in the world wide web. Through this, it basically want to say that through the, if we create an application through HTML and upload to internet, we participate in world wide web. uh, in the next part is usually define the how different tags are used in order to create a web application. These these tag can be defined, or can be a node to a molecule or a cell. Can we compare to them cell? Through shell we create through different, when group of cell combined together, then an body part is created. Through this tag we can say, when these tag different tag group together, A web page is assembled, and through this web page, when web page is created, we use css in order to create an appearance on the web page, and javascript for the better presentation or responsive design. HTML uses markup to annotate text, images, and other content of a body of web browser. HTML uses markup to annotate text, images, content for display of web browser. HTML markup include special elements such as head. Yeah, head is basically the thing that we have used that are going to visible on the like title. We can use different tag like title in head, or can be different links, like if we if we if we want to create and if we want to create and if we want to create another page, or can we say if we want to connect css file, to connect this to that css file, we use basically link tag that we described in the head tag. Title, like I'm saying that we can use title in the head tag. Body is the main element tag of HTML that is describe the whole aspect of the page, like can say whatever we are going to define in a body, that is going to visible on the front page. Header, footer, article, basically there are different tags we can use. Article, section, speed, div, span, image, aside, extrude, audio, canvas, data list, embed, nav, search, output, progress, video, ul, ol, li, and many other. These are the different tags we use in different tags. An HTML element is set of another text in document by text. It consists of an element name surrounded by an element set of other text in the name of element inside a tag is case sensitive. The name of element inside the tag is considered through the name of element inside the tag is sensitive. Through this, it want to say that we cannot define our name through between two tags. They are predefined. We cannot use our name like thing or any other name that have on. We cannot use them. They are predefined. Like div is predefined by the developer of this HTML. Other than div, we cannot use any other word. The name of the element inside the tag is sensitive. That is, can be written in uppercase, lowercase, or mixture, or it should be in defined form that has been decided, not in a R form. Like if it is in a uppercase, that should be in uppercase. If it is in lowercase, that should be in lowercase, or a mixture. For example, title tag has been written in it or any other way. However, the convention or recommended practice is to write tag in lowercase. It's said to be that you should write the tags in a lowercase. It prefer to one, but mostly said to be used title or text in a lowercase. The article below can be helped by our HTML key resources. If HTML introduction. If you are new to Babylon, you should read HTML basics article to learn about the HTML and use to use HTML tutorial. For article about how to use HTML as well as totally complete example, check out the HTML learning area. There are different link has been given in order to learn more about the HTML. Already what we have already covered. We had already what is HTML, what are the different tags used in order to create a web page like body tag, header, title, div, h1, h2. There are different tags that all used together in order to define a web page. HTML reference. There are different links has been given in order to learn more about this. In order to learn more about the HTML. In our extensive HTML reference section, you will find detail about every element and attribute in HTML. Looking to front-end developer, we have to put together a course that include all essential information needed to work toward your goal. In our tutorial, HTML layer feature different modules that teach HTML from ground up. No previous knowledge required. Basically, there are different knowledge links has been given in order to learn more about the HTML. The module set to stage, getting used to important concepts, syntax such as looking like HTML, how to create hyperlinks, how to use HTML to structure web page. The module explore how to use HTML to include multimedia in your web page, including different ways that HTML can be included, and how to embed video even entire other web page. Representing tabular data. If we are going to accept, inspect, right click and going to inspect, that's all HTML tag that we used in order to get that web page. Through this example, we can show a web page is made through different. A web page is made when you accumulate different text together, text tags together. Like I already said that body part is the main part. All different tag come under it, and whatever come under in body tag, that will going to show on web page. If we describe this script word outside the body part, then we are not able. Then we are not going. Then we are not able to see this. That's main div. And the div part is like a shove body part. We can use the arrows down, arrows up in order to define script tag. Mainly in script tag, JavaScript part has described, and the part mainly it's different UL part, different tag decided. I'm just starting. After some time, I'm going to describe it in more clearly way. So you can say it's not an easy part in order to speak out. You have to practice it, and only can speak. Who am I? Basically, it is called session storage. But they are going to offline store. There are different key paired values. In order to use cookies, they are using cookies. If someone is going to after, if they close down this browser and after some time, then like theme or other thing that you have stored will visible again to them, like that they don't require to toggle again to theme button in order to do lighter. If you have choose one of them, that will going to automatically saved in browser. That why are using session. Advanced topic, codes embedded image, the codes attribute. There are different advanced topic, codes attribute setting. Some stable element that provide support from codes such as image, videos have been crossing configuration, reference, HTML, global, HTML, rate topics. Different topic that you have to cover in order to learn HTML. It is very basic part. So we hope to keep continuing with this technology playlist. I'm going to upload as much as possible in a day, can be like around 5 or 6 videos in a day, so that I can practice more and more and build a better communication skill or speaking English more confidently and fluently. That's only one way, I think so. I can say that's only one way we can I or you can learn speaking English by practicing. If I'm not practicing listening only, then it will be a difficult part, it will going to difficult part in order to learn it. So you need to require practice it as much as can. So it's the first part of that first video of technology playlist. I hope to be show we are going to improve in coming next videos. As we processed, we are going to improve it. Already have been covered 15 minutes, so let's stop it. Meet it next video. In next video we are going to talk about some basic of HTML basics of HTML topic. Till then, see you again.